cooking. I am Julia Child.
I'm Julia Child.
And I'm Julia Child.
And I'm Julia Child.
So today on the Art of Mexican Cooking, we will be preparing a recipe from this great book I found called Like Water for Chocolate. And in it there's a recipe, oh by the way, great book, great. In it there's a recipe for oxtail soup. And it sounds very Mexican, thoroughly Mexican. And we shall be preparing it today. Okay, so the recipe calls for 2 oxtails, 1 onion. 2 oxtails? Do we have oxes? Of course not. You have cats though, right? The next ingredient is an onion. I'm going to let you chop that. I'm going to take care of all the rest of the recipe. Alright, I'll chop that while you handle that. Okay, so what are you getting, dear? Well, I'm just adding a dash of this and a dash of that. You know, Mexican style. Really? How's that going to work? Well, just like that. Just dash it in. Julia, would you stir this for us? Oh yes, I will stir it. Are you having that with the skin on? Yes, why not? It adds flavour and fibre. This looks delicious. Absolutely scrumptious. Do you want some onions? Yes, please. Okay. Delicious. I think it's missing something. Oh, what is that you put, Dad? Worcestershire. I don't know. What is this? It's Worcester sauce. I thought it was Worcestershire. Pardon me. Worcestershire sauce. Add a dash. Add a good dash. I think. Oh no, add some more. I think it needs some more. That's good. That's good. No, it's not. All right, Julia, are you ready to give this a try? Absolutely. Okay, let's go. Tastes like vomit. Okay, now we will be making Chabella wedding cake. We need 175 grams of refined granulated sugar, 300 grams of cake flour sifted 3 times, 17 eggs, and a grated peel of 1 lime. We don't have any of that stuff, so let's get cooking. Okay, first it calls for 17 eggs, but that would be a very large cake, so we are only going to use 2 eggs.
Alright,
and
so we only have 1 raw egg.
Oh, that's fine.
And 1 hard-boiled egg.
Oh, well, it doesn't say, it just says eggs. It doesn't say what kind of egg, so that'll just have to do.
Should I chop this up?
Oh yes, just chop it up and put it right in there. That's perfect.
Do you think these pieces are...
Yes, that's fine.
Alright. I'll just throw those in there.
Now the egg is done. Okay, so the recipe calls for 300 grams cake flour sifted 3 times.
Alright, so we have our flour, and would you hand me a cup?
This cup? Alright. What's cake flour?
I'm not entirely sure, but this looks right.
It already smells like cake.
Does that look like enough?
It looks like plenty.
Okay, so
Just dump it in.
Throw that in. And I said sifted 3 times, so let's sift. That was 3.
Okay, so next it says sugar.
How much?
1 cup. But we don't have any sugar. What's something that has sugar in it?
Well, looks like root beer has a lot in it.
Oh yes.
Let's use
so
that.
1 cup of root beer.
Alright.
We're going to replace the sugar with root beer. I mean, it's not really that much of a difference.
No.
It's
I don't think anyone will notice.
no. It's not noticeable at all. Busy. Okay. Now, the last thing we have to add, well, it doesn't say it, but my mother always told me that it is good to add love. And the closest
ingredients.
So yeah, the closest thing we have to love is heart-shaped strawberry flavored marshmallows. So I'm just gonna add a few of those. Love! Oh, here's the pan.
Okay.
I'll put it here and you can scrape that in and
Alright.
it's quite. Give me the spoon, I'll smooth it over before I put it in.
Okay.
So it'll be a nice cake. Okay. Into the oven.
Fabulous. You need to set your oven at 560 degrees. Delicious.
All the best parts of food.
Alright. Now I think we're ready to take out our cake.
What?
What happened?
It seems to have shrunk quite a bit.
We'll just frost it. No one will ever notice.
So guys, it looks like we can't cook. Mom!
Quesadilla.